Today I have received a laptop. Let us check charger, what laptop and what the issue. Actually the issue is no power on. It's a HP laptop. I'll tell you the model. Okay, this one is no power on. The model number, just a second. Here 15 or 284 TU. Okay, the main issue, no power on. Let us check what is the issue. I will give the supply and I will show you exactly what the issue. I'll take this here. I'm going to connect the supply. Okay, see, in HP directly once you connect the adapter you will get the light. Here there is no light. Okay, I will open this laptop. Let us check what the issue. It may be basic or advanced level, whatever it may be. If it finished soon, so I will explain you how this motherboard will work. If not, so I will completely explain you the troubleshooting. Okay, let us open the laptop. See, here we opened the motherboard. The model number is LA-EA992. Okay, so before starting I wanted to tell you something, because one of our subscribers were asking about this multimeter. Actually it's a 2-in-1 multimeter. It's a really worth to money. Actually it's a little bit cheap, in Indian rupees 11.5k. okay, rupees. It has two functions. One is multimeter functions and other one is oscilloscope function. Actually up to 50 megahertz crystal we can check in this. That is more than enough, right? It has two channel. Okay, channel 1 and channel 2. It's really worth and easy to carry, and it has type C chargeable port, and it will run through battery and very weightless compared to others. Okay, this is really good for general purpose checking. It's really wonderful. You can purchase. Okay, anyway, so about this I was telling something. What is that? There is no power on, correct? In that case what we have to do, here first we need to search where is the CLR. Here is the CLR, the 1 and 2 both are here. First we need to check what shorting. So check the multimeter. It's very useful for basic students who are learning starting steps. It's the first step or second step or 10th step. What are the steps they are doing for them? It's very useful. First we need to keep it for beep mode in the multimeter. See, the CLR, it has no short. Once you check the CLR, battery side complete CLR is okay, and the main CLR, actually this is the main CLR, here is the battery CLR, because it's nearby this. So both are does not has what is the short. This is good only. So now what about supply path? Supply path also good. This is a positive and here is the negative one. Okay, positive and negative. Good. So directly we can give the supply. There is no issue in 19th path. I am going to give the supply. See, the one thing you can easily understand, once we connect the adapter, if you get this light, 3 volts always and 5 volts always are pakka, because here once you connect, charging IC will be good. After charging IC we will get the voltage, 19 voltage, that will pass to input for the 3-5 volts IC. Once input the 3 5 volts IC, when it gets the input voltage, then automatically it will generate LDO voltages, 3 volts LDO and 5 volts LDO. In case if it is separate, separate it will come. In case in one IC, it's a multiple function it will do. After that, if enable comes, definitely it will produce the 3 volts always and 5 volts always. Okay, now I'm going to connect this. See here I have connected. Now we will check the supply. We'll check the supply. Okay, now where we have to check, we'll check the CLR. See 1.4, 1.3, 1.4, 1.3, 1.1. So reducing. Where we are checking? We are checking the CLR. Okay, so up to where we are getting the 19 volts. See, it's reducing actually, continuously reducing. Okay, first we will check here adapter. It has 19.7 volts, very good. And ID, no, sorry, this one is ID. 0.9 volts ID. Okay, see, now what we have to check? We have to check first Mosfet. See, it has connected here, right? See, I will show you. Here it has connected. This is the first Mosfet. So here I am checking. Just a minute. 19.5 volts. Here is the coil. Coil voltage is good. After this coil, here Mosfet input means drain side is okay. Here is the dot, so here is the source. 1 2 3 output we are not getting. Okay, only the issue will be here, but first we need to check the gate voltage is coming or not. 0.7. See, in case if it is a P channel, then this is a good one. In case of N channel, this is a bad one. So what is the issue? We will check in the schematic. Okay, we'll go through the schematic and one by one I will discuss. So what exactly the issue and where it will be and how we can sort it out. That we will check one by one in schematics. See here input is coming to PQ101. Okay, but the diode direction is opposite to this, to drain. It means the V in coming to the drain, but drain is not passing through this diode because here gate should be open. If gate you get the voltage, then the voltage from here to here it will pass, but there will be a condition. What? Actually it's N channel, the gate voltage should be more than source voltage. Okay, the gate voltage should be more than source voltage because of N channel. In case of P channel, the gate voltage should be lesser than the main voltage, source voltage. Okay, so now its direction is opposite to the drain. It means it's N channel, it should be 25 volts. It should be 25 volts. In voltage divider, in case of P channel MOSFET, then only we use voltage divider. But if we want more voltage than the source, then 100% we should depend on the charging IC. What is that charging IC? BQ2478738. Okay, we get the input here to this IC. Once input is okay, that VCC is okay, internally it will generate what is that? First CMSRC will come, and then this is the driver for this driver IC. Okay, this one is pakka, then AC drive will start. AC drive will start to these two MOSFET. PQ103, it's a gate, and same gate is here also, PQ101. Okay, now we come to know this IC is handling this particular MOSFET. Okay, now it's not allowing. What could be the reason? Now once again we will check. We give the supply and we will check the requirement of this particular IC. What is that? BQ24738. Why it's not allowing this driver, or IC may be the issue, or the AC drive, what reason it's not coming, it may be the issue. This PQ103 is issue, or this one is issue, or somewhere here PR something, what is that, after this CLR may be the issue. That also one possibilities will be there. Because of that, this IC will disconnect the AC drive supply. Okay, the reason will be multiple, but the thing is, at present we are not getting the AC drive. The reason we will check in practical. Okay, see, here is the V in, correct, it will come to drain of this PQ101, but it's not passing to here, it's a PQ103. Why it's not passing? The drain, what is that, gate voltage, the gate voltage is not coming for us. Now where is the charging IC? Here is the charging IC. It's a BQ24738. okay, from here AC drive should come, then only the first Mosfet will work. Now once again we will check, first we will check once again this as short or not. These two Mosfet will check the impedance in bip mode as short or not. First we check the CLR not short, there is no shorting in CLR. See, there is no shorting in this Mosfet. Here gate to source, gate to drain, drain to source, there is no short. In this Mosfet, same thing. Here disconnect. Here is the gate to source, gate to drain, there is no short. Once again I am checking gate, no. Okay, now we will check this IC pins, where we will get the voltage AC drive, the pin number 4, is short or not. Here is the dot, 1 2 3 4, 4th pin, there is no short. Okay, once again we will give the supply and we will check the IC. First we will check first Mosfet, and next we will check the IC. I am going to connect the supply. Oh, see, here there was no supply before, correct, we not did anything, just we checked the, what is that, schematic, and we came back here. Actually it's an open condition. Now this light is glowing, it means the supply is coming. See, first we checked, right, there is no CLR voltage. Now I will check, 100% we will get, because we will get 3-5 volts also, voltage section. What's happening here, that I will explain you. See, the CLR, just a minute, your sticker is there. See, the voltage in multimeter, (19.3), 19.47, it's increasing, 19.53. Okay, so in this is battery CLR. Okay, this is the main CLR. Now we are getting the supply. How we are getting? That's strange, right? That's a really strange thing. But the thing is, the fact is, this is a big issue. You know why it's a big issue? Because when it will be in, what is that, cabinet, there was no issue. There was issue. It was not turning on. But when we remove this, it's turning on after some time. It means this particular charging IC is going to safe mode. If it for protection reason, it's going to safe mode. It's protecting the motherboard. Why it's protecting and what is the reason? The main reason is somewhere 19 path is getting short. See, I turned it on, fan is spinning and here light is glowing. Now it will work perfectly. Anybody facing this problem? Anybody faced this problem? Please put it in comment. But the thing is, I am really telling you, this problem is more actually. See, once the particular section is issue, definitely we can solve it. But here the section is not an issue. The main thing is protection issue. Okay, definitely I will tell you once again, if I put the cabinet and all, so definitely the same issue will come, no power on issues. So the main reason in that condition, what you are going to do. See, as per my knowledge, as I faced the issues in multiple times, that's why I am suggesting you people, if you are facing in future, definitely I will give a solution for this. See, this is the main supply. Okay, it will come to these two coils. Okay, I will remove this. Okay, these two coils. This is very important one, because through this only the main supply will go. In case this coil is weak, okay, in case this coil is weak, then any metal part will touch to the motherboard, definitely this one will reduce. I mean, some issue will come all of a sudden. When issue will come, then charging IC will think there is a issue in 19 path, so then it will reduce. Means the load may be the issue in that case. Okay, somewhere it will get short. The main problem, first suspect is these coils. You need to replace this. Second is the IC. Okay, in open condition it will work, but in that condition protection mode will go. Second is IC. But before that, before first and second, the one more important thing is here the earthing. First you need to cover this earthing point in plastic sticker. Okay, you should not allow this any metal part, I mean any part to the cabinet. See, it's already covered. Actually it's a known error. Once again I am repeating you, it's a known only, it's already troubleshooted one, but once it's fixed there is no supply again. So what I am going to do is, first I will check once again these points are good. That is the first point. Physical damage is the first point. Second point is, the first point is you need to replace this coil and check. Next you need to replace the charging IC, and then you come to this second Mosfet. Then finally you can come to first Mosfet. In case then also you are getting the same issue, then you need to replace this CLR. In this only you will get the solution for this. Okay, so I got the solution. Actually 3-4 times I got the same issue. For that, what are the solution? Just now I informed you people. So if you are getting the same issue, please put it in comment what solution you made. I mean what action you taken for that particular error. Okay, now there is nothing to do this R&D, because see, once you connect this, definitely supply will come. So what I have to show you then? Right, see, everything will be fine. I will turn it on. So here light also coming. Okay guys, that's it. So this is the serious matter actually. So don't take it as easy. You will be thinking actually it will be okay. Now its supply is good, then I'll pack it and give it to the customer. Don't do this fault. After packing you may get the display, but once it goes to the customer, definitely it will come to you. Okay, don't do this mistake. So what I suggested, please try to do. And other than that, if anybody mention in the comment, that also you can try this. Okay, I will come with the new chip level services video. Till the time, tata, bye bye. Thank you very much.